living in San Francisco and working in San Francisco, it was just so obvious that riding a small two-wheeler was the way to get around. My name is Nathan Joftis, and I'm the founder and chief scientist at Bolt Motorbikes. Bolt Motorbikes is unique because it's the highest power and highest performance of any electric bicycle available in production. It's smart, it has, connects to your smartphone through Bluetooth communication, and it's just such a fun time to ride. You don't need registration and you don't need insurance. It meets electric bicycle regulations. If you've never ridden a motorcycle or a scooter, it's really hard to describe, but we get people who have never ridden a powered two-wheeler and they twist the throttle. It's such an amazing experience that to be able to do 30, 35 miles per hour and feel the wind in your face, and you don't have to be pedaling a bicycle. With the Bolt, you're a superhero everywhere you go. Ride it in the bicycle lane and park it on the sidewalk. No license required. You can keep up with traffic. You're totally green and you're riding something that's cool. Anybody can ride these. We say if you can ride a bicycle, you can ride a Bolt. It's liberating.